Ever wondered how we can systematically change behavior to improve lives? Welcome to ChapterCast. Today, we're diving into Chapter 2, Basic Concepts and Principles of Applied Behavior Analysis. Let's explore how ABA helps us understand and influence behavior in meaningful ways. Behavior is anything an organism does that can be observed and measured. It's not just actions like running or speaking, but also includes internal processes like thinking and feeling, as long as they can be observed in some way. When you smile at a friend, that's behavior. When you think about what to eat for lunch, that's behavior too, if we can observe it through your choices or expressions. A response is a specific instance of behavior. A response class is a group of responses that serve the same function. Saying hello, waving, or nodding your head are different responses but belong to the same response class of greeting behaviors. A stimulus is any event or condition that affects behavior. Stimuli can be grouped into classes based on shared features or functions. The sound of a bell, a flashing light, or a specific word can all be stimuli that signal it's time to start class. Respondent behavior is elicited by antecedent stimuli and is involuntary, like salivating when smelling food. Operant behavior is influenced by its consequences and is voluntary, like studying to get good grades. Jumping at a loud noise is respondent behavior. Choosing to study for an exam because you want a good grade is operant behavior. Reinforcement increases the likelihood of a behavior occurring again, while punishment decreases it. Both can be positive, meaning adding a stimulus, or negative, meaning removing a stimulus. Giving a child candy for doing homework is positive reinforcement. Taking away a toy for misbehavior is negative punishment. Extinction occurs when a previously reinforced behavior is no longer reinforced, leading to a decrease in that behavior over time. If a child stops receiving attention for tantrums, the tantrums may decrease through extinction. Motivating operations affect the value of a reinforcer or punisher and influence behavior. They include establishing operations, which increase value, and abolishing operations, which decrease value. Skipping lunch makes food more reinforcing, an establishing operation. Eating a big meal makes food less reinforcing, an abolishing operation. A discriminative stimulus signals that reinforcement is available for a particular behavior. A sale sign in a store signals that discounts are available, increasing the likelihood of shopping behavior. Generalization occurs when a behavior occurs in the presence of stimuli similar to the original discriminative stimulus. Discrimination is when behavior occurs only in the presence of a specific stimulus. A child learns to say dog when seeing various breeds, which is an example of generalization, but doesn't say dog when seeing a cat, demonstrating discrimination. Shaping involves reinforcing successive approximations toward a target behavior. Chaining links individual behaviors into a complex sequence. Prompting provides cues to encourage a desired response. Teaching a child to tie shoelaces by reinforcing each step, which is shaping, linking the steps together, known as chaining, and providing guidance, also called prompting. Understanding these basic concepts and principles is crucial for effectively applying ABA techniques. They provide the foundation for analyzing and influencing behavior in various settings. If this episode helped you grasp the fundamentals of ABA, give it a thumbs up, share it with your peers, and subscribe to ChapterCast for more insightful explorations. Drop a comment on topics you'd like us to cover next. Until then, keep observing and analyzing.